These 5 foods are stronger than sleeping pills. Eat this before bed for a deep sleep. Struggling with sleepless nights? What if I told you that certain foods are stronger than sleeping pills at helping you sleep? Yes, these natural remedies can give you the restful sleep you've been missing. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you step by step how to use these foods, when to eat them, and how they work with your body to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that will tie everything together. You won't want to miss any of these steps. Step 1, almonds, the magnesium powerhouse. First on the list is almonds, packed with magnesium, an essential mineral that helps your muscles relax and your body prepare for sleep. Scientific explanation. Studies have shown that magnesium deficiency can disrupt your sleep cycle. Almonds contain enough magnesium to relax your muscles and calm your nervous system, which is crucial for entering a deep sleep. Instruction. Eat a small handful of almonds about 30 minutes before bed. You don't need too much, but the magnesium they provide will do wonders for your body's ability to unwind. Step 2. Tart cherries, a natural source of melatonin. These little fruits are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Scientific explanation. Melatonin is the hormone responsible for signaling to your brain that it's time to sleep. Unlike synthetic melatonin supplements, tart cherries give you a natural boost that won't interfere with your body's natural production. Instruction. Drink a small glass of tart cherry juice or eat a bowl of cherries in the evening. Doing this will help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Step 3. Chamomile tea, the sleep herb. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries as a natural sleep remedy, and for good reason. Its calming properties make it the perfect pre-bedtime drink. Scientific explanation. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to receptors in your brain that promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Instruction. Brew a cup of chamomile tea about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Sipping on this warm, soothing tea will calm your nerves and prepare your body for a peaceful night's sleep. Step 4. Bananas, potassium and magnesium combo. Bananas aren't just a great snack. They're full of potassium and magnesium, which help relax your muscles and promote a restful sleep. Scientific explanation. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while magnesium aids in muscle relaxation. Together, they work to calm your body and prepare you for a deeper sleep. Instruction. Have a banana as a pre-bed snack. It's a simple yet effective way to add natural sleep-enhancing nutrients to your routine. Step 5. Kiwi, the sleep booster. Last but not least is kiwi. This little fruit is surprisingly effective at improving sleep quality. Scientific explanation. Studies suggest that eating kiwi before bed can increase total sleep time and efficiency. It's packed with antioxidants and serotonin, which both play roles in regulating your sleep cycle. Instruction. Eat 1 to 2 kiwis an hour before bed. This simple addition to your nightly routine can make a big difference in your sleep quality. We've already covered some incredible foods, but stay tuned because up next is a bonus tip that will help you maximize the effects of these foods. Plus, if you're finding this helpful so far, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more natural sleep tips. Bonus tip: the best time to eat for better sleep. Now here's the bonus tip I promised. Timing is everything when it comes to sleep. Eating these foods too early or too late can reduce their effectiveness. Explanation. Studies show that consuming sleep-enhancing foods about 30 to 60 minutes before bed is optimal. This gives your body enough time to absorb the nutrients and start producing melatonin and serotonin, the hormones that make you sleepy. Instruction. So, the next time you have almonds, cherries, or any of these foods, be mindful of your timing. Stick to the 30 to 60 minute window for the best results. Conclusion. Now you know exactly which foods can help you sleep better than sleeping pills, and how to use them. Whether it's almonds for magnesium or kiwi for serotonin, these foods will help you sleep deeper and wake up feeling refreshed. Try adding these to your nightly routine and let me know how it works for you in the comments. And if you're ready to take your health even further, don't miss my next video on 6 great foods that naturally cleanse your body. These foods will not only help you feel lighter, but also boost your energy levels and overall well-being. You won't want to miss it.